Hello student, let us start with 10th part of chapter 13, Alkynes. We are at the second last topic of the chapter now, Alkynes or acetylene. Acyclic unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkynes or acetylenes. The general formula is CnH2n-2 where N is equal to 2, 3, 4 etc. And structure of triple bond is shown on the screen. There is triple bond with sigma and pi bonds. Ethine is the first member of alkyne series. Each carbon atom of ethine is sp hybridized and hence two sp hybridized orbitals. One sp hybridized orbital of each carbon undergoes head-on overlap with sp hybridized orbital of another carbon to form a sp-sp carbon-carbon sigma bond. Isomerism in alkynes. Number 1, position isomerism. The first two members, that is ethine and propyne, exist in one form only. Butane and higher alkynes exhibit position isomerism due to different positions of the triple bond on the carbon chain. CH3, CH2, C, triple CH, it is but one ion. If triple bond has position 2, then it is but 2 ion. Other position is not possible. Now, chain isomerism. Alkynes having 5 or more carbon atoms show isomerism due to different structures of carbon chain. Functional isomerism. Alkynes are functional isomers of dienes, that is compounds containing two double bonds. In this example, triple bond is at position 1, CH3, CH2, C, triple bond CH, it is but one ion. Now, double bonds are at two different positions. So, it is buta 1,3 diene and double bond is at other position, this is buta 1,2 diene. If you take case of triple bond, ring chain isomerism. Alkynes show ring chain isomerism with cycloalkanes. CH3C triple bond CH. It is propyne. As it is triple bond, so ine. And this screen shows the cyclopropyne. At this time, screen shows cyclopropene. At this time, double bond is present at a position as it is cyclo because this is closed ring. Classification of alkynes. Alkynes are further classified as terminal or non-terminal alkynes according as the triple bond is present at the carbon chain or within the carbon chain. Terminal alkynes. CH3C triple CH, it is propyne. CH2 CH2 C triple CH, it is but one ion. Non-terminal alkynes, it is CH3 C triple C CH3 but 2 ion. Similarly pent 2 ion. Now methods of preparation of alkynes. Number 1, by the action of water on calcium carbide. Ethine is prepared in the laboratory as well as on a commercial scale by the action of water on calcium carbide. CaC2, calcium carbide, when react with water, it gives acetylene and calcium hydroxide. That is CH triple bond CH and CaOH twice is formed. Calcium carbide needed for the purpose is manufactured by heating limestone with coke in an electric furnace at 2275 Kelvin. Calcium carbonate upon heating gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. by dehydrohalogenation of dihaloalkanes. Alkynes are prepared by dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dialkanes, haloalkanes, by heating them with an alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide. BrCH2, CH2Br, when treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it gives CH triple bond CH and potassium bromide and water. The reaction occurs in two steps and each step involves the loss of a molecule HBr. What are these two steps? Firstly, this single bond changes to double bond. Then this double bond changes to triple bond. In ethylene dibromide, Br is present on a saturated carbon atom. Therefore, like alkyl halides, it is a reactive molecule. On heating with alcoholic KOH, it readily eliminates a molecule of HBr to form vinyl bromide in good yield. Due to the presence of Br on a doubly bonded carbon atom, vinyl bromide is a highly unreactive molecule and hence on heating with alcoholic KOH, it does not easily lose a molecule of HBr. The reaction is usually carried out in one step using NaNH2 in liquid ammonia, BrCH2, CH2Br and NaNH2. It gives CH, triple bond CH, NaBr and ammonia. CH3, CHBr, CH2Br plus 2NaNH2. Then it gives CH3, C, triple bond CH and NaBr and ammonia. Alkynes can also be prepared from gem dihalides by the action of alcoholic potassium hydroxide followed by treatment with sodium nitrite in liquid ammonia or preferably by the action of sodamide in liquid ammonia. By dehalogenation of tetrahalides. Tetrahaloalkanes, when heated with zinc dust in methanol, undergo dehalogenation. CHBr2, when react with zinc, it gives CH triple bond CH and zinc bromide. By dehalogenation of haloforms. Chloroform and iodoform on heating with silver powder undergo dehalogenation to form ethine. CHCl3, when react with silver and CHCl3, it gives CH triple bond CH with silver chloride. Similarly, again with the two molecules of iodoform, you will get silver iodide. Now, what is Kolb's electrolytic reaction? Acetylene can be prepared by electrolysis of concentrated solution of sodium or potassium salt of fumaric acid. CHCOOK, double bond CHCOOK and water. It gives CH triple bond CH and carbon dioxide and potassium hydroxide and hydrogen. Synthesis from carbon and hydrogen. Acetylene can be prepared by passing a stream of hydrogen through an electric arc struck between carbon electrodes. Reaction is shown to you. Synthesis of higher alkynes from acetylene. It can be acetylene is first treated with sodium metal at 475 Kelvin or with sodamide in liquid ammonia at 196 Kelvin to form sodium acetylate. And reactions are shown. Let us start with the first reaction. Actually take place in steps. When acetylene react with NaNH2, 1H is removed. Again treated with CH3Br, 1 NaBr is removed. And same if treat with CH3CH2I, then NaI is removed. Similarly, this topic can be done in the steps. Physical properties of alkynes. The first three members are colorless gases. Next 8 are liquids while the higher ones are solids. Smell. All the alkynes are colorless. However, acetylene has garlic smell due to presence of phosphine as impurity. Melting and boiling points. The melting point and boiling points of alkynes are slightly higher than those of corresponding alkenes. This is due to reason that because of the presence of a triple bond, alkynes have linear structures and hence their molecules can be more closely packed in the crystal lattice as compared to the others.